here is Widgetable app and how to find pets in Widgetable. So go to the app, tap Explore, and in the top right there is like a pet section, and then from here, just a bit to the right there is pet section, and then you can just also just tap on the pets button here in the just right to the shop, and then you have eggs. So this basically how you start raising the eggs. Either new eggs with a pro subscription, either buy them, either invite people, or lucky draw. So these are the ways how you can get new eggs. One egg is just like $2. New eggs, you just need to upgrade, lifetime $50, yearly $20, weekly pet egg, you will get one egg every week, or then just invite new users. So for example, you just can use my Widgetable code VPQPQS, and then just if you join the app, I will get a new egg, and you will also get a new pet egg as well. So just feel free to use this code, you will get a new egg, or there is like a lucky draw, and then you can just go hatch it, and then you can invite also other users, and then just grow this pet with a friend together. So you can raise a pet with a friend by enabling pet co-parenting. The pet will travel between your phones to help deliver messages. You can send miss to your pet or remind your friend to take care of it when the pet is on your friend's phone. And then you can just raise the pet with a friend. And then you can just add your pet to the screen. You can manage your pets together with your friend. You can rename your pet, and so there you have it. It's an interesting new cool feature, so try it out.